Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you've built wealth beyond your wildest dreams, not from luck, not from winning the lottery, but from following a proven path. The truth is, becoming a multimillionaire is not about where you start, but how you play the game. If you think it is impossible for someone with no money to reach that level, stay tuned because I am going to show you how to build wealth step by step, even if you are starting from zero. Step 1. Build the right mindset. Every multimillionaire starts with the right mindset. If you believe wealth is only for the lucky or privileged, you are already setting yourself back. The first step is to develop a growth mindset and realize that money follows value. Multimillionaires are problem solvers. They create value in the world, and money becomes the reward for their efforts. Start by changing your daily habits. Read about successful people, surround yourself with positive influences, and stop thinking small. The bigger you think, the bigger your potential wealth becomes. Step 2. Increase your earning power. To become a multimillionaire, you need to raise your income far above average. You cannot save your way to millions if you are stuck with a low paycheck. Focus on building high-value skills. These include sales, marketing, investing, technology, and leadership. Skills like these are scalable, allowing you to earn far more than the average person. Remember, the more valuable you are to the marketplace, the more money you can make. Step 3. Master saving and frugality. Even if you earn more money, it will not matter if you spend it all. Millionaires understand the power of saving and controlling expenses. This does not mean living cheaply forever, but it does mean being disciplined from the start. Reduce unnecessary costs, live below your means, and treat every dollar as a potential investment. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought decades ago. Frugality creates the foundation for wealth building. Step 4. Invest for growth. Here is the real secret. Saving money will not make you a multimillionaire. Investing will. Multimillionaires grow their wealth by investing their money in assets that appreciate over time. This could be real estate, the stock market, or owning businesses. The earlier you invest, the more compound growth works in your favor. Even small investments today can become massive wealth decades later. The goal is to make your money work harder than you do. Step 5. Create multiple streams of income. No single stream of income will make you a multimillionaire. You need multiple flows of money coming in. This could include your main job, side businesses, rental properties, dividends from stocks, or online income streams. The rich always diversify their income so that if one stream slows down, others continue to grow. Building multiple streams of income takes time, but it is the most reliable way to scale your wealth to multimillionaire levels. Let's recap the 5 steps to becoming a multimillionaire. Build the right mindset. Increase your earning power. Master saving and frugality. Invest for growth. And create multiple streams of income. These steps work even if you start with nothing, because wealth is built one smart decision at a time. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button, share it with someone who wants to build wealth, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more strategies to win the money game. Your journey to becoming a multimillionaire starts today.